बहुत सी कैब बुक करा देंगे आप?
बिल्कुल हो जाएगी।
You go in a cab. Auntie is
I
worried.
won't. No, I won't.
Go in
I
cab.
don't.
Where you want to stay?
No, I just wanna.
सर आप यहाँ रुकिए ना।
अरे
Yes.
बॉस यहाँ पे।
सर
Are you
I
mad?
wanna stay.
What do you
I
wanna do then?
Stay. We will stay. No.
What do you
we
want to do
will
then?
Stay with me, baby.
What do you want to do then, baby?
You make love.
Are you mad? मैं बदलता समय हूँ, मैं सबकी लेता रहूंगा, खासकर उन लौंडों की जिन्हें लौंडा कहलाने का कोई हक नहीं, क्योंकि कोई लौंडा थोड़ी ना नो बोलता है। विनय खंडेलवाल।
सॉरी सर।
सॉरी फॉर?
नाम नहीं है सर कोई भी।
नहीं, अब देखिए रजिस्टर में चेक कीजिए, मैंने बात करी थी जीएम
सर हमें पता रहता है ना।
नहीं, अब तो देखिए ना, मतलब आपने लिखा हुआ होगा नाम।
पता रहता है सर।
तो क्या मतलब कुछ एंट्री है, कुछ कवर है, क्या करना है?
हाँ 4000 स्टैक एंट्री।
सर 4000 रुपये मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ है, आप देख नहीं रहे, आप 4000 रुपये
सर नहीं है सर नाम।
मैं आपको कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि एक बार आपने नाम तो चेक कीजिए, कोई और आएगा तो उससे भी आप 4000 रुपये
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर। यस
सिद्धार्थ
गो।
इनका नाम था सर?
हाँ बिल्कुल था इनका नाम।
आपने बिना देखे इनका नाम?
सर हमें पता रहता है हमारा।
अरे सर आपने कहाँ नाम चेक करा सर? आप
सर हमें पता है ना
सर। मैं 4000, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड आ रही है, वो 15 मिनट में आ रही है, एक बार मुझे फोन पे बात कर। बेबी।
Hello.
Yeah. How much time you gonna take?
Half an hour.
Sure.
Maybe approximately 1 hour. Last.
1 hour I can't be stand, so I'll gonna pay the stack.
Wait, just
I'll gonna pay the stack. Bye. सर अब उनको भी टाइम लगेगा तो आप भी फायदा उठा लीजिए।
सर ये आपका मैटर है।
कितना है बताइए आप? कितना?
4000 सर।
कार्ड चलेगा?
बिल्कुल।
Can I go now, boss?
यस प्लीज।
Thank you.
Excuse me मैम।
Yes.
यस मैम। यू हैव रिजर्वेशन?
मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड आया होगा विनय।
यस वो जो एंट्री के लिए कोई था।
उसने पैसे दे दिए?
हाँ उन्होंने दे दिए।
अच्छा।
समय बदला और बदल गई हर तस्वीर। लौंडों की एंट्री पेड हो गई और लौंडिया की हो गई फ्री। So, what do you want to order?
100 pipers in Red Bull.
Okay. Excuse me.
यस सर।
1 lemonade and 100 pipers in Red Bull.
Lemonade.
Yeah, lemonade. So what happened?
You aren't drinking.
I'm not. I don't drink.
We are here to party, right?
Yeah, we are here to party, but I don't
So
drink.
why aren't you drinking?
So that doesn't mean that if we are partying, so I need to have a drink.
But it's not necessary if we are partying that we shouldn't drink.
Listen,
we
I don't want to
shouldn't.
get into an argument. I already had a bad
Even
day.
I don't want to have. But it's not my fault
No
that you had a bad
means
day.
no means no. I don't want to have it.
Your lemonade. Your
Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Anything else, ma'am?
Smoke.
कहा था ना, मैं बदलता समय हूँ, मैं लौंडों की लेता रहूंगा। अब लेमिनेट का जमाना गया, कोई समझाओ बाबू को, समय है 4 बोतल वोडका का। As you wish, your choice, your life.
Seriously, man.
इस पे लिखा हुआ है स्मोकिंग कॉजेज थ्रोट कैंसर। सिगरेट पीने से
So
कर्क
you're
रोग
giving
होता
a social message to me right now.
है।
We're here to party.
I don't want to give a message. Do whatever you want to do. Let me have my drink. I already had a bad day. I told you.
But it's not my fault.
Sorry. So what's happening in life?
Touched up with my life.
What?
Touched up with my life. Touched up with you. You're here to party and you're like not drinking.
Arey
Now
boss,
you're having a problem with my
no,
smoke.
no.
You're giving me bloody social messages right now.
No means no. I don't want to drink and I don't smoke.
Don't repeat it again and again. And now
Okay.
no need to overreact.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You should be.
So I'm not drinking and I'm not smoking and then I'm saying sorry. And I have a bad day and I'm saying sorry.
But that's not my fault. Don't repeat it again and again.
Sorry. So what do you know? Have more?
I need some stuff.
यहाँ कहाँ मिलेगा?
You're not having?
No, I don't smoke up. Smoke up as in like
yeah,
I don't smoke
how
up.
how can I forget that?
Yeah. So
But I
don't. You'll
Arrange it for me.
I can't. Like no, I can't.
Arrange it for me.
I can't.
But you have to. When I'm saying, you have to arrange.
No.
Now even you can't do this.
Seriously,
man.
Ask the bartender. He might
I
have
can.
it.
Don't challenge me.
You cannot.
I can.
You cannot.
Excuse me. Do you have some stuff?
क्या?
Weed or hash?
सॉरी, ये सारी चीज़ें हम यहाँ पे सर्व नहीं करते। टाइम से सॉरी।
So I
Why you
win.
challenged
I
me?
win. I win. मैं समय हूँ, ये लड़का नाक कटवाएगा। समय है मैरी उगाना बाबा जी की बूटी का। डूड, तू बॉर्नविटा कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए कब तक बना रहेगा डूड? Excuse me. One lemonade and fifth
Repeat.
drink. Fifth drink, right?
Just a fifth drink.
Because
Repeat.
auntie is calling. Hello.
Sir, we are just coming. We'll be there by 11.
Auntie, yeah, pranam auntie. Auntie, we'll be reaching by, I think, like right now it's 10. We're gonna be reaching
11. Yeah, 11.
by, we're gonna reach by auntie 10:30 or 11.
11.
Okay, auntie. Okay, thank you.
I'm saying say 11.
Relax, relax. Boss, drink quickly. Here's your drink. But we have to go home. And you are not sober now.
By 11.
You are not sober
I
right
said
now.
by 11.
You are not sober.
I am.
Baby, now this is your
One
10th.
more,
No,
one
10th.
more,
This is your 10th. No,
please, I want one
10th,
more,
your
I
10th.
want one.
Boss,
I need one more.
Boss.
Repeat, please.
No,
I
repeat.
need
No,
one
no, no, no.
more. I want to talk to you. Please, I want one more. Please.
We have to read.
I want one more. One last.
Boss, repeat. 11th one. Have it. Quickly have it because we have to reach home and auntie is waiting.
Go.
Last drink. Last
Just
drink.
last.
Arre,
Please.
last drink. We have to. Please, please, please leave. It's already over. It's already over.
Yeah, I need one more.
No. No. I'm saying no. We have to go. We have.
Please.
Baby, we are getting really late. We are getting really late.
Please, I need one more. Please.
Boss, repeat, please.
I love you.
I don't love you, and I don't love you.
Okay,
I don't fucking love
I need
you.
one more. You know what? You
What?
know how much I love you.
I don't love you right now.
Okay, I love you too.
I don't love you right now. That's what I'm saying because I hate you right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you not to drink that much. You have 12 classes. आराम से आराम से बॉस एक कैब बुक करा देंगे आप?
बिल्कुल हो जाएगी।
You go in a cab. Auntie
No,
is worried.
I won't. No, I won't.
go in
I
cab.
don't.
Where you want to stay?
No, I just wanna.
सर आप यहाँ रुकिए ना।
अरे
Yes.
बॉस यहाँ पे.
सर
Are you
I
mad?
wanna stay.
What do you
I
wanna do then?
Stay. We will stay. No.
What do you
we
want to
will
do then?
Stay with me, baby.
What do you want to do then, baby?
You make love.
Are you mad? मैं बदलता समय हूँ, मैं सबकी लेता रहूंगा, लेकिन रुको, क्या ये लौंडा इसकी लेगा या फिर लौंडिया के साथ एक और बार नो का ड्रामा होगा? नो
stay
नो
with me.
नो थैंक आप
Baby,
इनको ऊपर
please
आप ऊपर कमरा
stay
दे
with
दीजिए,
me.
आइए.
No, please.
नो.
You stay with me.
अरे अरे रुकिए जरा, वो किसी महान कलाकार ने कहा है ना, नो मीन्स नो, तो समय को भी बोलने का हक है, और जब कोई इन लौंडों के पक्ष में नहीं बोल रहा तो क्यों ना समय ही आज बोले. I'll not stay with you. I'm gonna drop you there. Come. I'll just gonna drop you and I'm moving. साहब माना कि सोसाइटी में कुछ बेशरम लौंडे हैं, मगर अच्छे भी हैं, और दीज गर्ल्स शुड ऑल्सो रियलाइज नो मीन्स नो. चाहे वो बॉयफ्रेंड हो, फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट वाला फ्रेंड हो, फ्रेंड जोन वाला लौंडा हो, या फक बडी हो, या फिर आपका हस्बैंड ही क्यों ना हो, लौंडे की नो भी नो ही होती है. चलो देखते हैं कितना हक मिलता है इस बॉर्नविटा मैन को नो बोलने का अगले एपिसोड में.